91% of WordPress hacks start with a plugin. Sandboxed architecture, AI agents managing content. The WordPress creator reviewed his own replacement. Here's everything you need to know about EmDash. Around 13,000 WordPress sites will be attacked today. And 91% of those attacks will start with a single plugin. WordPress powers 43% of the internet. It has over 60,000 plugins. And every single one of them has full access to your database, your file system, your users. One compromised plugin and your entire site is exposed. That's not a hypothetical. Around 4.7 million WordPress sites get hacked every single year. But Cloudflare, the company that already serves around 20% of all websites, just released something that changes the equation entirely. It's called EmDash. And plugins physically cannot access your database unless you say so. Sandboxed by design, AI native from day one. TypeScript, MIT licensed, built on Astro. And later in this video, the co-creator of WordPress himself reviewed EmDash. What he said surprised everyone. To understand why EmDash matters, you need to understand the scale of what it's replacing. WordPress launched in 2003. That's over 23 years ago. Back when you FTP'd files to a shared host and prayed nothing broke. Today it powers around 43% of all websites on Earth. That's around 500 million sites running WordPress code right now. The plugin ecosystem is what made this possible. Around 60,000 free plugins. Need an SEO tool? Plugin. Contact form? Plugin. Caching, security, analytics, payments? Plugin, 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 plugin. But that number only tells half the story. I call this the plugin paradox. The thing that made WordPress the most popular CMS on the planet is also the reason it's the most hacked CMS on the planet. In 2025, security researchers disclosed 11,334 new WordPress vulnerabilities. That's a 42% increase from the year before. And 91% of those vulnerabilities came from plugins, not WordPress core, plugins. The reason this happens: every WordPress plugin runs in the same process. No sandbox, no isolation. A contact form plugin has the same database access as your payment processor. One line of PHP, global WPDB, and any plugin can read, write, or delete anything. The median time from a vulnerability being disclosed to mass exploitation: 5 hours. And roughly half of high-impact exploits happen within the first 24 hours. And it's not just security. The ecosystem is overwhelmed. Over 800 new plugin submissions are sitting in a review queue, waiting just to get approved. The volume has quadrupled since 2024. Now watch what Cloudflare did about it. Cloudflare looked at this problem and decided the fix wasn't another security plugin. The fix was a new architecture. EmDash is an open source CMS released April 1st, 2026. MIT licensed, not GPL. Written entirely in TypeScript, built on the Astro framework, and designed from scratch for a world where AI agents are part of your workflow. The tagline? The spiritual successor to WordPress. That's a bold claim, but the engineering behind it backs it up. This is EmDash's defining feature. Every plugin runs inside its own V8 isolate, powered by Cloudflare's dynamic workers. Each plugin gets its own sandboxed environment. It cannot access the database, the file system, or other plugins unless the capability manifest explicitly grants it. Here's what that looks like. A WordPress plugin calls global WPDB and has unrestricted access to every table in your database. An EmDash plugin declares its permissions upfront. Read content, email send. That's it. The worker runtime enforces the boundary. The plugin can only do what it declared, nothing more. Think of it like App Store permissions for your CMS. Before you install a plugin, you see exactly what it can access. No surprises, no skeleton keys. This one architectural decision structurally eliminates the attack surface behind 91% of WordPress breaches. But the sandbox is just the beginning. Wait, 91% of solo AI builders quit within 3 months. But not this group. Over 1,000 builders. Daily hangouts where you debug together. Weekly workshops that actually level you up. A full agentic coding course. 72 lessons, 12 modules. From zero to shipping multi-agent systems. People share projects, brainstorm ideas, help each other in real time. This is where AI builders actually make it. Link in description, 10% off. Join us. Back to the video now. V8 isolates don't just improve security. They're fast. Cloudflare published benchmarks showing dynamic workers start around 100 times faster than a traditional container. A Docker container takes seconds to cold start. A V8 isolate, milliseconds, and it uses around 10 times less memory. For a CMS, this means plugins load instantly. No cold start penalties, no container orchestration overhead. Your site scales to 0 when nobody is visiting and spins up in milliseconds when they are. We've covered the security model and the speed. Now the part that actually matters for whether you'd use this in production. The infrastructure. EmDash isn't a standalone tool. It plugs directly into Cloudflare's infrastructure. D1 handles the database. R2 handles file storage with 0 egress fees. Workers handle compute and plugin execution. KV handles plugin state. But EmDash also runs on any Node.js server. It's self-hostable. The Cloudflare integration gives you the full feature set, including Sandboxed plugins. But if you want to run it on your own hardware, you can. MIT license means no restrictions. And for a lot of enterprises, that matters. GPL software is technically free, but the compliance overhead is real. MIT keeps it simple. Most CMS platforms bolt AI on as a plugin. EmDash builds it in. Every EmDash instance ships with a built-in MCP server. That's Model Context Protocol, the standard Anthropic created for AI agent communication. Claude, Cursor, GitHub Copilot, any MCP-compatible agent can connect to your CMS and manage content directly. Upload media, search posts, create new content types, manage plugins, deploy changes. All through natural language, all with scoped permissions. EmDash also ships agent skills files, structured documentation that tells AI agents exactly how to operate the CMS. No custom prompting needed. The AI reads the skills files and knows what it can do. And content isn't stored as HTML strings like WordPress. EmDash uses structured JSON, what they call portable text. One content source, clean and machine readable, that renders to web, mobile, email, API, whatever you need. Now, you're probably thinking, sounds great, but I have a WordPress site with thousands of posts. Am I starting over? No. EmDash includes a WordPress migration tool. Export your WordPress site as a WXR file, the standard WordPress export format, and import it directly into EmDash. Posts, pages, media, custom types. The whole thing takes just a few minutes. For themes, EmDash provides an AI-assisted porting guide. Feed your WordPress theme files to an MCP agent, and it generates Astro-compatible templates. And if you are starting fresh, EmDash ships with 3 starter templates out of the box: a blog, a marketing site, and a portfolio. Each one supports dark mode, is fully responsive, and is ready to deploy in minutes. Now remember the open loop from the beginning. The creator of WordPress reviewed EmDash. Matt Mullenweg, the co-creator of WordPress, published a detailed review, days after EmDash's launch. He pushed back on the spiritual successor branding. He said it was created to sell more Cloudflare services. He questioned the framing, but he also wrote this: "The product is very solid. There's some excellent engineering." And about EmDash's agent skills approach, he said they were amazing, a brilliant strategy, and that WordPress needs to do the same as soon as possible. The co-creator of WordPress just told the world that his competitor's AI strategy needs to be copied. That's not just validation. That's the moment the CMS landscape shifted. Full transparency. EmDash is a version 0.1.0 beta. WordPress has around 60,000 plugins. EmDash has 0. WordPress runs on any host. EmDash's full feature set requires Cloudflare workers. Setup is CLI only. There's no visual drag and drop editor. If you're not comfortable with TypeScript and a terminal, this isn't for you yet. This is a developer preview, not a production-ready WordPress replacement. Not today. But the architecture is right. The Sandboxed model solves a real, measurable problem. The AI integration isn't an afterthought, and the team behind it has a nearly $60 billion company's infrastructure backing it. If you want to see EmDash for yourself, head to emdashcms.com/playground. You can spin up a full instance in your browser. No install required. The source code is on GitHub at emdashcms/emdash. Thousands of stars already. MIT licensed, TypeScript, ready to explore. Start a repo, try the playground, and tell me, is EmDash a real WordPress successor or just a Cloudflare sales pitch? Drop your take.